Very good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn our first lesson of EVS subject. The lesson name is Who Do I Look Like? In this lesson, we will learn about similarities between a parent and child, similarity with relatives, my family members who look like me, and last point is twins. So let's start. Our first point is think. So everyone should think now. Okay. So look at this picture. In this picture, he is a Kunal. Kunal has a sister. Both of them look similar. Why do some siblings look similar? Who can tell me? Let's find out the answer. Okay. So our next point is remembering. Think of yourself and your parents. What are some things that are similar? Can you tell me? In your family, whom do you look like? If you got it, so what are the similarities between you and your parents? Is your smile just like your mother's smile? Do your eyes look like your father's eyes? Students, look at here and observe this picture. In this picture, you can see parents and their children. The girl looks like her father and the boy looks like his mother. Who can tell me which things similar between them? Their eyes or their smile? Their nose or their hairs? Sometimes we act like our parents. For example, the way we walk, talk, or eat. Can you tell me, do any of your friends look more like his or her mother? Is there any friend who looks more like his or her father? Why is this so? The reason is our features that we get from our parents. We get some features from our father and some features from our mother. So what is the meaning of features? Let me explain. A feature is a look or action of a person. Features help us to say whether people look similar or not. Understood, everyone? Do you have a brother or sister? What are the similarities between you and your brother or your sister? Can you tell me? Do they look like you? And you may also notice that you look like your mother and your brother or sister may look like your father. What makes you look like them? I think you may have the same eye color. The shapes of your ears or noses may be similar. You may have the same type of hair. If anybody have any doubt, so everyone take your family photo and observe it carefully. So what you learned today? You have learned that children may look like their parents. Some may even look like their grandparents. Many times your parents may look like your grandparents. Look at the given pictures. The kids here look similar to their parents. What are the similarities between them? In the first picture, the small girl's hair looks like her mother's hair. And in the second picture, the girl smiles like his father's smile. So it means our reactions or actions also matches with our parents. Our next point is understanding. Do children look like any other family members? Do you and your aunt look similar? Look at this picture carefully. In this picture, a small girl looks like her aunt. And in other picture, children looks like their cousins. So you have to remember this. Uncle and aunts are a part of our family. They are brothers or sisters of our parents. So we may look like our aunt or uncles. Do you have any cousins? Do any of your cousins look like you? If your answer is yes, so why it's happened? Because your cousins and you share the same grandparents. So you may look like your cousins. So our next point is application. Everyone have to do this. Okay. Collect photos of your family members. Try to find members you look like. Also find what features look similar. Paste your pictures in the box given in the center and paste picture of your family members who you look like in the other boxes. On the lines given below the boxes, write the features that look similar. You can use your notebook for this activity. And everyone ask to your parents about their childhood photos and ask them about their childhood stories. So now we will discuss the next point, that is the amazing fact. Everyone has his or her own fingerprints. Even people looking exactly the same have different fingerprints. Look at the image of fingerprint. Everyone ask about the fingerprint to your parents. They will show you, okay? Our next point is higher order thinking skills. HOTS. Have you seen children who look exactly like each other? If your answer is yes, so what we call them? We call them twins. So what is the meaning of twins? What are the twins? Let me explain the answer. Babies born at almost the same time to the same mother are called twins. Some twins look exactly like each other. Some twins have few things in common. Look at this picture. Both girls are twins. They look similar. Are there any twins in your family or in the school? Do they look the same or different? I hope you understand this topic. In our next session, we will learn some questions related to this topic. Okay, thank you students.